How to log in into Wisconsin sales tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this series of How to Log In, today I'll be teaching you guys how to log in into Wisconsin sales tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. Now open any browser. You can use Chrome or any of the browser you have on a device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Wisconsin sales tax login. After searching, you can see different websites and links like this on your screen. Click on the first website that says tap.revenue.wi.gov. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now here you need to enter your username and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your username or your password, you can tap on forget username or password option below the login. Or if you are a new user, you can tap on sign up option in order to create a new username. So that's it, enter all of your details and you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your account. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.